Hey guys, once again this is Cherylify and welcome to my channel. I'm going to have this Calbee snacks. This is new in the market. I bought this for 4 pack and $10. 4 pack around $10. Then this is Calbee grilled corn barbecue flavor. This is my first time to try this. Let's see how this tastes like. This is made from under the license of the strictest quality control of Calbee, Tokyo, Japan, but it is prepared and packed in China by CFSS Company Limited. Yan. So, if you would like to they have their website www.calbee.com.hk. This is good servings per package. It's 32 grams. Then look how beautiful the packaging. But I would like to taste this. This is my first time. Actually, I've got 4 pack, so it's quite difficult to open. Here, this side. Let me try how does it taste. It is corn, but it's in a form like a stick. It's like what do you call this? A French fries. And look, this is corn, but the shape is like a French fries because potato French fries. The taste is not. It's quite good. It's not so salty. It's not salty actually. I love it. Definitely. Bibili pa ako ulit. Yummy. Nakaka servings. And this one. It's good. Guys, naubos ko yung chips. Nasarapan ako. Simot. Masarap kasi siya kasi hindi masyadong maalat. Yeah. Finger licking good. Definitely I will buy again next time. Kaso lang, ito di ko mabasa kung ano to. But here I have Chinese English translation. It's a grilled corn barbecue flavor. Ganito daw ang pag-grill ng corn. Iba yung mais is parang round. Bakit naging ganito? So funny, diba? Okay, thank you. So yummy. I love it. Bye-bye.